Thank you, Camille. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. I hope you had a great lunch experience. So now we have more energy to deep dive into the product roadmap. Once again, I'm Radoslaw. I'm the Director of Product Management at Ibexa. I've been working at Ibexa for more than 3 years already, but I'm connected with MarTech solutions and IT for more than 15 years. And before we jump to the roadmap and talking about the future, let's firstly make some kind of recap what happened last year, what you can expect soon from our product from version 5. Then just a reminder about the release cycle for next versions and the key points. So let me bring you to the product journey and talking about the future, what you can expect from the product in short-term and long-term perspective. And I would like to give you, at the end, some key highlights of selected features, so some flavors from different pillars, from different objectives. And at the end, of course, the summary. Before we talk about the roadmap and the features, let me just use this opportunity because I see like we are very big family, a lot of great partners, customers, Quebu colleagues, Raptor members. So as you can see, we create some big family sharing the same values, the same goals. We want to bring better customer experiences. And what I want to highlight today is that we are creating the roadmap and the product for you and with you. Because if you look into the last year, we put a lot of attention to collect the feedback, insights, and ideas from you, organizing a lot of events, interviews, product Fridays, partners Fridays. Even yesterday, we had very fruitful 8 hours workshop together with our best partners, and we discussed the future of the product, the pain points, and there were a lot of valuable feedback, a lot of great ideas. Some of them confirmed already in the roadmap. So this is also a great proof that we are going into the right directions. So thank you very much. Let me use this opportunity to thank you from this stage, and this is what I wanted to highlight. Just a reminder: last year we updated and changed the product life cycle, and the key elements of this change include that right now the product life cycle includes 18 months. Within this 18 months, we want to deliver regular and constant value by bringing LTS updates every time period. And this is the most important change. If you need more information, you can also scan the QR code and read our blog post. Okay, and now just the summary, what's coming in Ibexa version 5, and what we delivered last year as updates. So here you can see that last year, when we take a look on the headless edition, we delivered AI package with the first features, with the AI framework that allows you to connect to different AI agents, the features that were mentioned at the beginning, at the keynote by Camille and by Sylvain. And together with this LTS updates, the second package that you can expect soon is related to collaboration. So you will also find a dedicated session during this event focusing on the collaboration, but let's just quickly highlight what you can expect. So first of all, the real-time collaboration in the rich text for editors, then ability to public, to share the link to the preview of the content, And finally, additional feature combined with the CK editor is the productivity tools. So this is the package connected with the streamlining the collaboration, so the objective that was set in the roadmap. Then we can see the package related to the user experience. So we introduced some smaller improvements, but very significant for the user experience. So displaying attributes in groups, and very important, I think, for many users, revamped notifications. And finally, in headless, what you can expect in Q1 2025 is the package connected with improvement of core capabilities. So here, you can expect new product picker that is connected with discounts, new attribute types for PIM, so including date and time and symbol. And if we look on the experience edition, we started with the integration with Quantum ecosystem. So we delivered the add-on related to integration with Qualifio. So this is Ibexa Engage, bringing two significant features. So embedding campaign in page builder, and the second one is the campaign custom tag. And apart from these features related to Engage, we also introduce a DAM module. When you look on the package related to boosting the user experience, as you can see, we are waiting for the package including copy-pasting blocks from between landing pages, content preview improvements, and auto-generated identifiers for content types. So this is the packages that are available or will be available soon. And finally, one of my best capability and package related to improving buyer experience. So here you can expect the package related to discounts, so percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, buy X, get Y, etc. But let me invite you to the presentation that I will conduct tomorrow on the dedicated session on the product track. So as you can see, this is the list of LTS updates, so regular added value. And together with this LTS updates and multiple significant changes in the tech stack, we are bringing a new version 5 that will be released at the end of Q1. So when we talk about these tech updates, you can expect the upgrade to Symfony 7 with the new security layer, code-based upgrade, support for Rector, and also OpenAPI compatibility, as well as TypeScript introduction. So these topics will be highlighted during the tech track. So my colleagues from the engineering team will discuss and present these topics in details during this session in the next room. So if you are interested to get more details, I can invite you to take a look on these sessions. Okay, and now let me bring you to the product journey to the future. So as you know, during the keynote presented by Bertrand, we are entering new chapter with the new year. We are joining forces with Quebu, with Raptor, and together we are creating modern and strong composable DXP. So let me highlight what you can expect in short-term and long-term perspective, taking into account the objectives that we put on the table to bring the value to our customers and partners. Okay, so first of all, just a reminder. So these three pillars that you saw today multiple times, so we are building the roadmap around these three pillars. They are very important. They are our key objectives to bring the value to our customers and partners. So differentiation and hyper-personalization. So here we are talking about DXP with integrated CDP, Then we have DXP with the standalone PIM and cohesive MarTech. So here, a unification of different interfaces, different applications for marketers. Yeah, and if we look on the roadmap from like a strategic point of view, as you can see in each pillar, we are providing added value by bringing specific features. So taking into account the first pillar, differentiation, we plan to deliver content completeness configuration overview, product relations. In the experimentation area, you can expect A/B testing. In personalized experiences, here is the bucket connected with CDP and personalized recommendations. So here we are putting a lot of attention to the integration with CDP and recommendations, as well as content variations. For commerce managers, multiple shopping lists. And when we talk about the CDP, CLV model, and audience insights. And to conclude, as you can see, we are planning to enhance the discounts module. Looking at the go-to-market pillar, here it's strictly connected with PIM, with Quebu. So yeah, we are putting a lot of attention to integration, stronger integration with Quebu. Calculated attributes will be the feature that you can expect in Quebu PIM. And quality score is related to the standalone PIM. When we take a look on the market competitiveness area, so here we are continuing with the AI capabilities by bringing image suggestions using AI and unlimited languages. So we want to remove this limit that is right now a bit of annoying for us. And by bringing sales and commerce channels deployment, here we would like to introduce channels and markets as new entities. Discounts enhancements that are mentioned before. Edit orders is a part of commerce, of course. And commerce dashboard by bringing specific KPIs, sales KPIs to the commerce managers. And finally, you can expect a lot of Quebu UI improvements in the admin interface. When we take a look on the cohesive MarTech, so here a lot of topics related to composable platform, so asynchronous operations, single sign-on, very expected, I guess, segment REST API, and Quantum. We would like to bring Quantum Connect into the DXP admin interface, so closer to the users and closer to our platform. Then when we discuss about the easy to use capabilities, so we continue with the collaboration, now focusing on collaboration in Page Builder. Campaign dashboard is connected with the integration with Qualifio. And powerful federated search, so here we are touching the area of back office users by bringing possibility to search not only by content, by orders, by products, by variants, etc. And when we take a look on the experience building, here you can expect drafts in content tree and another very significant improvement is the layout builder in Page Builder. Finally, when we take a look on the layer of user experience, we are planning to deliver design system for Ibexa and also the capabilities related to edit, create, multi-translations. And finally, extended content types definition. But apart from these three pillars, together with the product experience leaders, we decided that we would like to also streamline the product enablement and onboarding. So we also have plans to introduce integrated help in the DXP platform, then interactive walkthrough, and finally, integration of product analytics to track the user behavior and based on this data, to improve the experiences inside the platform. So this is the summary of the of the roadmap from strategic point of view. If you are interested how it looks like from product brand perspective, so here is the proper view, what you can expect in short term, mid-term, and long term. So as you can see, in short term, you can expect discounts enhancements in DXP, image suggestions using AI, segment REST API design system, and integrated recommendations coming from Raptor. In Kwebu, we also are talking about the single sign-on with DXP, integration, the first chapter of integration with DXP, and possibility to connect content from DXP into products in Kwebu, and a lot of also other UI improvements. Finally, in Raptor, in CDP and personalized recommendations, we are also planning to introduce single sign-on, work strongly on the integration of recommendation in DXP, and introduce recommendation strategies for DXP commerce. And finally, in the CDP area, we plan to release audience look API. Yeah. Finally, if you are curious how these features will be delivered over time as regular updates, or they will be delivered in the core platform, here is the proper visualization of this. So once again, in the swimline, you can see these product updates that will be delivered in short term, mid-term, long term. I already mentioned that we put a lot of attention. This is the top priority to focus on the seamless integration in the Quantum ecosystem. So as you can see, we have such topics like integrated recommendations, single sign-on in short term, integration with Kwebu PIM, and in the mid-term, you can expect first phase of the integration of DXP with CDP, and continuation of PIM integration. And then in the long-term perspective, we continue with the integration with CDP. We plan to introduce also A/B testing inside the platform, and campaign dashboard, as I mentioned, is a part of the integration with Qualifio. But what is worth to mention here in this point, in this period of 18 months, starting from Q2 2025 and Q3 2026, when the version 6 major version is expected, you can also expect the following features. So content variations that, of course, impact on the platform architecture and platform structure, drafts in content tree, product relations from PIM, unlimited languages, channels and markets mentioned before by me, and also powerful federated search, asynchronous operation that we discussed yesterday during product advisory board, as well as layout builder and extended content types definition. So together, when we combine all these features, these short-term, mid-term, long-term product updates, and the features related more to core capabilities, altogether, this will be the scope for the version 6 that is planned to be released at the end of Q3 2026. So this is the long-term perspective. Yeah. Okay, so this is the conclusion of the roadmap from the strategic point of view, from brand point of view, and timeline. Now let me jump to the specific features. Let me highlight some of them, just to give you some teasers, let's say. And of course, we can discuss some details, some ideas during the product cafe. So focusing on the first pillar, differentiation, what you can expect, so in the personalized experiences, in the personalized recommendations, commerce managers can expect built-in recommendation strategies, including personal shopping assistant. Other customers have also seen, and also cross-selling strategies. So this is the first features that brings value to the differentiation. Then this is one of my favorites. And many customers, many partners expect this, especially in the content, because most of you probably know that this is already available in PIM, but we want to enhance it and bring also to the content and give some flexibility to easily configure completeness for product and for content by playing with different factors, rules, and that matter for different channels, for different content types, or for different product types. So first point is about flexible configuration, then tracking the completeness on the product or content level. And finally, you expect the quick insights in the dashboard to give you some flavor, some information. What is the current state? What is the quality of the content on different dimensions, as well as the same for product. So this is the topic related to completeness in the DXP. Multiple shopping lists, this is also highly requested, of course, by customers and partners. So you can expect it in the commerce edition. So creating, managing multiple shopping lists, sharing this list with other buyers. When we take a look on the acceleration go-to-market, so here, I already mentioned about discounts enhancements, but looking on some details, we are delivering the first package of discounts in version 5 and as a 4.6 LTS update, but you can expect also more discount types soon, together with the unique discount codes and possibility to copy discounts to easier create new ones and launch them quickly. Calculated attributes, as I mentioned before, is a topic for standalone Quebu PIM, so you can expect this feature in the midterm perspective. So here we are talking about combination of different attributes value, calculation them automatically, and this gives us more flexibility at the end if we play with the more complex product specification. Then I think also highly expected and requested commerce dashboard, so specific KPIs related to sales, to discounts, to orders, coming to our customizable dashboard in DXP. And this is also one of my favorites. I put a lot of attention to this topic, so channels and markets, how to bring quickly new channels, multi-channel environment, how to configure these channels, play with different settings, and then how to use these channels on a daily basis. So defining different catalogs per channel, defining the content per channel, discounts, attributes, attribute value especially, shipping methods, payment methods, etc. And at the end, marketers, commerce managers expect to have some insights on the dashboard and data per channel per market. So this is like connecting dots. Okay, and finally the cohesive MarTech area. So this is also a great topic. I think Adam, the engineering director, is a fan of this and put already some foundation for this feature. And here, we are talking about the real-time collaboration, real-time editing in Page Builder. So we invite users, we start the collaboration, we start editing the landing page together, putting blocks, tracking other user behavior and changes. So this is a topic related strictly to streamlining collaboration. Layout builder, so many people also ask about this. So it's about customization and adjusting default layouts. So you don't need IT support to create or customize layouts. You can adapt it using the default layouts. This is also, I think, very significant step in the development of our product. So finally, our design and user experience department decided to bring Ibexa design system to unify the user interface, different applications, bringing predefined and ready-to-use front-end components. So we plan to deliver this in steps, as you can see on the slide. And we plan to deliver like a first big bucket combining these 3 steps, and later we will iterate and we will deliver missing components. But I think this is very important just to unify the user experience, going faster with features that require a UI, and better at the end, better user experience. Finally, this is topic that I also love, and I think it's also very important from the user experience perspective. On the video, you can see already some trailers and some proof of concept. But in short, it will include integrated help, so some links to the documentation, some links to the roadmap, some links to quickly submit some idea or some issue. And the next step is related to the interactive walkthrough, so how to onboard new users, how to show them the path where they should click step by step. And finally, this product analytics integration. To conclude my very quick and short presentation, once again, your vote and your voice is very crucial for us. So let me remind you that you have always an opportunity to share your ideas with us, with me. You can also take a look on the roadmap. You can vote for specific features. You can submit new ideas. And we collect this feedback. We are reviewing regularly this feedback. And based on the feedback that you are giving us, we are prioritizing features. So this is very valuable data for us. And finally, of course, we cannot discuss in details all the features. It's impossible during half an hour if you take a look on the roadmap. But let me invite you to the product cafe. This is like a dedicated session tomorrow in the afternoon after lunch. And where you can join us in informal atmosphere, we can discuss the ideas, the roadmap features. You can bring some use cases. You can suggest some things, some pain points as well. So I will be there. The director of engineering, Adam, will be there as well, and our CTO will be ready to answer your questions. So this will happen at 2:30 and in the Mare Nostrum room. So let me invite you once again, and I'm waiting for you there. Thank you very much for attention and for these insights and feedback. Thank you.